Hi guys, today we're going to learn about while loops. But before we do, if you didn't watch my video on how to sign up for Ripple.it, go watch that before watching this. With that said, let's move on. So imagine that we wanted the user to enter only negative numbers. Okay, so we're going to do that. So first we're going to do user input UI equals int input enter a number 0 through -10 and then colon space. Then we're going to make a new line and we're going to make two new lines, and in the third line we're going to do while UI is less than or equal to 0, colon, print. Wait, no, we're not going to do, should I do print? Let's see, so. Oh, yeah, and if it's less than 0, then we're going to keep on asking the user. So we're going to do the exact same thing. UI space equals int input enter more numbers like that. Enter a number. Yeah, we're just going to keep that like that. And then we're going to do, now we're going to do we're going to make a new line after this, and we're going to do if UI is greater than, oh, that one's greater than, it's supposed to be less, is greater than or equal to 0, then we're going to do, wait, no, it has to be greater than, it has to be only greater than 0 because we already have an equal to, so it's going to be an error at the first. Okay. And then we're going to put a colon, and then we're going to do another line. And inside the if statement, we're going to do print error. Yeah, error. Now, we have to, yeah. So we're going to do -9 and 10 more numbers like that. Now if we do if we do 8, it's going to print error. But now I'm going to run this and let's try 7. Then it's going to do nothing. How you fix that is you have to get that out for loop 6. You have to get the if out of the while loop, and then you have to get the print inside the if statement. So now if we run this and test it out, like let's try 1, it's going to print error. Okay. So let's say we also wanted this error on a new line, so we're going to do that, and then we're going to do 2, and then it's going to make a new line and say error. So yeah, that was it for this video. See you in the next video about lists.